Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander is a spacious, powerful, and high-tech three-row SUV built for families and adventurers. With a bold design, advanced technology, and efficient engines, it offers comfort, luxury, and versatility in one package. Exterior: bold and modern. The Grand Highlander gets a fresh look with a mix of style and toughness. Sleek LED headlights and taillights for a modern touch. Larger front grille for a more powerful appearance. Aerodynamic body design for better fuel efficiency. Up to 20-inch alloy wheels for a premium feel. Optional panoramic sunroof for a more open cabin experience. Toyota designed this SUV to look stylish while staying family-friendly. Interior: spacious and comfortable. Inside, the Grand Highlander offers premium materials, modern tech, and lots of space. Three-row seating with extra cabin space. Optional captain's chairs for second-row comfort. 12.3-inch digital dashboard and 14-inch touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for easy connectivity. Luxury leather seats with heating and ventilation. Ambient lighting for a stylish interior feel. Expanded cargo space for extra storage. With room for up to 8 passengers, this SUV is built for long trips and daily drives. Power and efficiency: 3 engine options. Toyota is offering different powertrains to fit various needs. 1. Turbocharged gas engine, power and efficiency. 2.4L turbocharged engine. 265 HP and 310 lb-ft of torque. 8-speed automatic transmission. Smooth ride with good fuel economy. 2. Hybrid Max, more power and better mileage. 2.4L turbocharged hybrid engine. 362 HP and 400 lb-ft of torque. All-wheel drive for better grip. 3. Plug-in hybrid PHEV, coming in 2026. 2.5L hybrid system with electric motor. Over 40 mpg combined efficiency. Up to 50 miles on electric-only power. Toyota is focusing on a balance of power, fuel savings, and eco-friendly driving. Technology and safety: Toyota's best features. The 2026 Grand Highlander is packed with advanced safety and tech. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 collision prevention, lane assist, adaptive cruise control. 360-degree camera for full visibility. Advanced driver assistance for semi-autonomous driving. Head-up display for key driving info. Premium JBL sound system for high-quality audio. Smart key and remote start for convenience. Toyota has made sure the Grand Highlander is one of the safest SUVs on the market. Adventure-ready, off-road, and towing power. For those who love road trips and outdoor adventures, the Grand Highlander offers all-wheel drive, AWD, with multi-terrain select. Up to 5,000 pounds towing capacity, great for trailers and boats. Hill descent control and snow mode for tough road conditions. Whether you're driving in the mountains or towing a camper, this SUV is ready for the challenge. Final thoughts: a top choice for families. The 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander is a perfect mix of space, power, technology, and safety. Whether you need it for daily commutes, road trips, or outdoor adventures, this SUV is built to impress. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.